Hello science lovers. Now here is an SO Olympiad workbook. You must be trying to appear for Olympiad. So let's see what all chapters are there inside this book and how you can prepare. So these are the chapters. Chapter 1 Plants and Animals, Birds, Food, Housing, Clothing. All these chapters are here and we are going to learn about all the chapters one by one. So today we will take up the first chapter, that is plants and animals. So here the characteristics of plants and animals are given. Plants cannot move from one place to another on their own. Animals can move from one place to another on their own. So this is about movement. Second one, food. Plants prepare their own food. Animals depends on plants or other animals for food. Breathing. Plants breathe through stomata. Animals breathe through gills, spiracles, lungs, skin, etc. Sense organs. Plants do not have sense organs, but animals have well developed sense organs. Reproduction. Plants grow from seeds or other parts. Animals, some give birth to young ones and some lay eggs. Have you seen a mango plant going to the market and buying mangoes for itself or buying other vegetables and fruits for itself? It's not possible. So, plants can't move from one place to another on their own, right? But animals can move from one place to another. We have seen all the animals moving from one place to another and they really need to move. So, why do animals move? They move to hunt food for themselves. They can't prepare food on their own like plants, isn't it? Plants need not move because they get sunlight, air, water at their own place and that's how they prepare food. But animals have to move to hunt food. If they are thirsty, they have to move to quench their thirst. They have to move to protect themselves from enemies, isn't it? But plants need not move for any of these three situations. Second point, plants can prepare their own food. We have already discussed along with the first point. And animals can't prepare their food, so they have to depend on plants and other animals for food. Few animals are herbivores, so they eat plants. But few animals are carnivores, strictly carnivores, so they eat other animals and satisfy their hunger. And few animals are omnivores, so they eat plants as well as flesh of other animals. Plants breathe through stomata, like we breathe through our nose, they breathe through stomata. Stomata are tiny pores which are present on the lower surface of the leaf, but yes, you will also find few stomata present on the upper surface of leaf. And stomata lets in carbon dioxide and it allows oxygen to go out of the leaf. That's how they breathe. Animals, they can breathe through gills, like fishes breathe through gills, and spiracles, like insects such as grasshoppers, they breathe through spiracles. Spiracles are small openings present on the sides of their body. They breathe through their lungs. Whales and dolphins and frogs, they have got lungs, so they breathe through their lungs. And some animals also breathe through skin. Now, when a frog lays eggs, what comes out from eggs? Tadpole, right? Now, how does tadpole breathe? It breathes through gills. Now, when tadpole grows into a frog, how does it breathe then? It breathes through lungs, because when a tadpole grows into an adult, changes into a frog, it doesn't have gills, it develops lungs. Okay, and that is how it breathes with the help of lungs on the land. But when again it goes into water, frog breathes through skin because it doesn't have gills anymore. Okay, the next point, plants do not have any sense organs. They don't have nose, ear, tongue, etc. So they don't have sense organ, but animals have well developed sense organs and they have got very sharp senses, okay, that help them to protect themselves from enemies as well as to hunt prey. Now the last point is plant grows from seeds or other parts of the plant, like it can grow from stem, it can grow from root, it can grow from leaf as well. And animals, some animals give birth to young ones, as well as some animals they lay eggs, okay.